I've been using the Betterment Checking Account for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a smart option for everyday banking in 2025. Betterment Checking is a fully digital, mobile-first account that's designed for people who want a no-hassle, fee-free experience. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no overdraft charges, and no minimum balance requirements. One of its best features is that it reimburses all ATM and foreign transaction fees globally, which makes it a great choice for travelers or anyone who doesn't want to worry about hidden charges. It's backed by FDIC insurance up to $250,000 through its partner bank and links seamlessly with Betterment's investing and savings tools, giving you a solid all-in-one financial dashboard. But as with anything, there are trade-offs. Betterment doesn't have any physical branches, so if you're someone who prefers face-to-face service or needs to deposit cash often, that could be a limitation. Another thing to note is that this checking account doesn't pay interest on your balance. While that's fairly common for checking accounts, some newer competitors are starting to offer interest even on everyday spending accounts. Also, mobile check deposit works well, but comes with daily and monthly limits, which may feel restrictive if you handle a lot of paper checks. Overall, Betterment Checking is a strong option for people who live digitally and want a low-cost, simple way to manage their money. It's best suited for those who value convenience, international fee freedom, and integration with investment tools, rather than traditional banking perks. I hope this review helped you weigh the pros and cons. If it did, consider supporting the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.